Namaste, I'm Dr. Sajna. Today, I'm here to discuss a very interesting topic, that is hair care in Ayurveda. We all know that Ayurveda is not just a medical science. It is a science of life which helps us to live a healthy and a happy life through following the principles of Dinacharya, that is the daily regimen, and Ritucharya, that is the seasonal regimen. And of course, due to the improper lifestyle and the food habits and the polluted environment cause the imbalance of doshas in our system. And when this vitiated doshas reaches the head, it causes different problems in the hair like hair fall, dandruff, premature growing of hair, and certain diseases like alopecia. And Ayurveda has the answer for all these diseases. Normally, the hair growth happens in three phases. First one is the anagen phase, second one is the catagen phase, and third one is the telogen phase. So during the anagen phase, the hair will grow its maximum with its all strength and quality, and it is up to 7 years in a healthy individual. So since this period, the hair growth is steady and strong, we can compare this phase to the Kabakala. And the catagen phase, where the hair root, the nourishment to the hair root will be stopped and the hair starts to clip. Since it is short, it can be correlated to Pitta Kala. The correlations are not direct, but with these symptoms we can simply correlate so that the treatment will be little bit more easy. And the telogen phase, where the hair is pulled out from the hair root and it is shed off. So the aim of our treatment will be increasing the anagen phase so that the hair growth will be steady, stable and healthy. So when we see the origin of hair in Ayurveda, it is true that it is originated from the Asti Dhatu. So for the transformation of each Dhatu, it needs Agni, the fire. Only with the fire, the one Dhatu is transformed to other Dhatu. So whenever there is a impaired Agni or loss of Agni, this transformation will not happen properly, so that the nourishment towards the hair will not get properly and it started to shed down, or any kind of diseases will happen to the hair. So always our first line of treatment should be correcting the Agni, that is correcting your digestion. You can observe your body, and based on that you can select the food items which are easily digestible, and slowly with the help of the internal medicines you can bring back your Agni. Then of course, based on the severity of the issues you are facing and based on the dosha imbalance in your body, you have to undergo a cleansing therapies like the Panchakarma therapies as per the advice of your doctor. And after that only we should look upon to the external therapies like application of oils or usage of the herbal shampoos or medicated paste over your head. So all those should be considered only after correcting your Agni. So when we consider the hair care treatment, the main or the important treatment comes in the way is Nasya. Nasya means installation of nasal drops into the nose. So medicated nasal drops. The most commonly used one is Anutailam. It is also told as a part of Dinacharya, and which will be very useful if you do it daily. It is not only for your hair growth, it also enhances your skin texture and help you to get rid of all the sinus issues, nasal congestion, allergic problems and everything. So you can make as a practice. So along with Nasyam, it will be good if you can able to follow inhalation of medicated smoke. That you can do it with a dry turmeric. You can just light a turmeric and you can inhale the smokes which is coming out of the turmeric, which also help us to open the pores or open the channels in your head and will also help for the regeneration of new hair. Now we will see some home remedies which will be very beneficial for you to use instead of the chemical shampoos, soap and conditioners now we are depending upon. So for hair wash, you can simply use the hibiscus flower and leaf. You can just mix it with a cup of water and make it like a paste. The water will be changed its consistency to a thick fluid like a consistency of a shampoo, and that mixture you can use for hair wash. It helps us to cleanse your hair without any side effects. And for conditioner, you can use fenugreek. You can soak the fenugreek seeds overnight and the next day morning make into a fine paste, and you can apply it over your hair after the hair wash. And keep it for 5 to 10 minutes and wash it off with cool water. It having a great results as a conditioner. It's a very good and effective. And if you are having a dandruff issues, you can use 2 teaspoons of olive oil mixed with 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and it should be applied over the scalp and wait for 10 to 20 minutes and wash it off later with cool water. So you can practice it like 3 times in a week, which will be very useful. And application of coconut milk over the scalp also is very good for dandruff. And use of onion juice, small onion juice, when it is applied over the scalp, it helps us to get rid of the hair fall problem as well as the dandruff issues. So these are all some simple remedies which will be very useful for you to make it at home and to practice. So instead of running behind all those items like all chemical shampoos and conditioners available in markets, try all these simple remedies at home and your hair will be much better. Thank you, and thank you so much.